Hi my loves, it's your girl Annatee here and welcome back to my channel. If it's your first time here, you're most definitely welcome, and if it's not, then welcome back and thank you for checking out my channel. So today I decided I was going to attempt to do a Bretman Rock inspired makeup look. And okay, I feel overall the look is fine, but it's nothing compared to what I had in mind. Some of the colors just wouldn't pop up, like the yellow. I made some mistakes whilst I was applying the makeup and stuff like that. So like I said, I'm not a professional makeup artist or anything like that, so don't come for me. This is just me having fun and learning as I go. So yeah, but yeah, I still think the look is cute. I love the flower thing going on, you know, it's colorful. I know summer's almost over, but I mean, not really in my books. But yeah, so I decided to give this look a shot. It's nothing like what Bretman had because it's inspired by him, but not a copy of what he did. So if you see, I'll probably put a picture of his look that inspired this look here, so you guys can see what I mean, in the sense that it was inspired by him, the colors were and stuff like that. But the look itself, this is something that I decided, you know, I was gonna do. So yeah, and I hope you enjoy watching this video. Don't forget to like, comment and subscribe, and give this video a really huge thumbs up because I think I tried. But yeah, so I'm not really good at eye makeup, which is why I don't do it a lot, but it's whatever. Anyway, I still love the overall look, so that's what matters. And don't forget to, oh, I already said that, follow me on Instagram at annatee with 3 underscores, on Twitter the same, and I'm also on Facebook. I'm going to put the official link. I say that all the time, but I never do. I might not, I don't know. Just check in the description box to see if you see a link to my Facebook channel. Okay, so before I get into the look, I wanted to just show you. Let me turn off the fan so you guys can hear me. so I just wanted to let you guys know about this product right here. It's called Mix Easy. Well, these products, because they're two, but the brand name is Mix Easy, or yeah. So basically, I got a face cleanser and a face cream from them. So this is what it looks like. This is the face cleanser, and then this is the face cream, right there, and that's the face cream. Right, okay, so this is 8.45 fluid ounces and this is 1.69 fluid ounces, and they decided to send this to me for me to try it out, and if I like it, I would let you guys know, so you guys could, you know, let's basically let you mention the brand and let you guys know about the brand and stuff like that. This is not sponsored or anything. I did get these products for free because oh, and that's another thing. So if you live in Gambia and you want this, you can actually get it because they shipped it to me to Gambia. Yeah, I know. But yeah, so if you can get anything shipped to Gambia, trust me, you can get it shipped anywhere. Okay, I'm being shady. Anyway, so they asked me to basically mention the product and let you guys know one thing that really attracted me. Oh, it matches my whole aesthetic, my whole look. Oh my god. Okay, so one thing I like about it is that is the packaging. It's so colorful. And I love colorful things, and yeah, I just love the packaging. Let me stop rambling and tell you guys about the product. So basically, this is a customizable product in the sense that when you go on the website to pick your product, you're the one that chooses. You're going to select whether you have oily skin, dry skin, or oily combination skin, and then and then after that, you're going to basically select. They have a bunch of ingredients that I think it's like supposed to pick 6 for each product. I can't remember exactly, but you'll see it. And when you go, you're going to pick what you want. So I wanted something that would basically, in a sense, blur my pores. You know, I have black spots on this I broke out on the right side of my face, so I have a lot of black spots on the right side of my face, which is weird. But yeah, so you know, you have the option to pick what ingredients you want based on what your problems are, which I think is great if you ask me, because then that means that you're customizing the product to what you need, so you're not just getting a whole bunch of stuff that necessarily aren't really a problem for you in a sense. So basically these two were about 70 something dollars, 74 I believe. Yeah, basically this is what it is, and they also gave me a coupon code for you guys. So if you guys are interested in trying this product, the coupon code is charm5, which I'm also going to put on the screen. So if you use this code, you're going to get $5 off your purchase. So yeah, so basically so far I've been using this for a little under a week. So and obviously the black spots on my face, they're not gone. I've noticed a slight a slight change in how prominent those black spots were. My pores though, that yeah, they're still there obviously, but I feel like it's starting to fade, which I like. So yeah, that's all I have to say about this product. So if you're interested in getting this, it's a cleanser face. They also have a shampoo and a conditioner, by the way. So if you're looking for something for your hair, go ahead. You can use the code I just gave you, charm5, and you can get $5 off. You're welcome. But anyway, let me stop fooling around. I hope you guys enjoy this video, and don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Bye. Hello. Oh yeah, that's just me almost dropping the concealer on myself. But I'm just using the LA Girl Pro Concealer to apply that all over my lids and smooth it out. I'm now going to use the Black Radiance palette, and I'm using that, I don't remember the name, but I'm using that to set the concealer basically. Yeah, that's me just choking to death. I don't even know what the hell I was choking on, but whatever. So I'm basically going to mix those two shades from my AliExpress palette, and this is why I made the biggest mistake, because I wasn't supposed to take it that high up, and you'll see why I said that in a minute. Yeah, just dancing, chilling, having fun, enjoying myself. Now I'm going to use this NYX or NYX, whichever one you want to call it, this eyeshadow, single eyeshadow thing in yellow. And as you can see, because I used those two colors that high up, the yellow color isn't showing up as much on my skin tone. I think that played a part in it basically. So right now I'm just trying to figure that out. So what I should have done was just use those two colors on my lid itself, like the bottom part of my lid, but hey. So now I'm just patting it on just so I can get a lot more coverage, or just to have the yellow color show up some more. Well, I think what I could have also done was not even bother setting the color, but I did anyway, so now I know better. So I'm using that orange shade, and as you can see, I'm using it at the bottom part of my lid. So I'm trying to have like this yellow on the top, orange at the bottom type of situation going on. So that's what I'm trying to do right now. So I'm just coloring. I just said coloring, not coloring like a coloring book, but like I'm using the eyeshadow and applying it on my eyes, on my eyelids basically. And I just keep doing the same thing, adding colors and stuff. So I go in with this light orange shade to basically blend the yellow and the orange, so there isn't any harsh line in between the two, because I don't want it, you know, looking yellow, orange, and just, you know, just looking all types of weird, because anybody got time for that, boo. So yeah, I just kept blending, adding, blending, adding. I did that a couple of times, and yeah, so looking a hot mess right now, but eventually I figure it out. I think I don't look too crazy by the end of the video, but yeah, so I'm blending, and at some point my camera went off because it overheated, so I finished off my makeup off camera, and I set my face. That's why it looks wet right now, and I'm going to use the I'm using the Milani highlighter in the shade 04, I believe. Yeah, 04. So, and I'm telling you, this highlight is popping AF. So yeah, that's just me up close and personal. You can see all the flaws on my face, but whatever. Oh yeah, I'm extra, so I went and over highlighted my forehead and I look crazy AF, but I mean, it is what it is. So usually I do put on a lot of extra highlight, but by the time, like, the setting, I usually do this while I have the setting spray on, and basically by the time it dries up I usually blend it out, so don't worry about it looking harsh right now. So I used a regular purple lip liner and this Revlon lipstick, and I think that's it. I got, yeah, see, so now I'm blending it in now that the setting spray has dried up and stuff, so I don't look crazy or anything like that. But yeah, so yeah, and the lip liner, I got it from Gambia, so there isn't like a brand or anything, so just use any lip liner you have. And yeah,